Hello kids. Last session we have learned what is noun and kinds of noun. Here in this session we'll have a quick recapitulation of nouns and then assessments. What is noun? A noun is a word used to name a person, animal, place, thing, an abstract idea. Nouns are usually the first word which small children learn. There are 5 important nouns: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, concrete noun and abstract noun. Let us see what is common noun and proper noun. A common noun names anything of the nouns: person, animal, place, thing or idea. Whereas the proper noun names a specific person, animal, place, thing or idea. For example, a person, Angela; animal, dog, doggy; place, Cebu; thing, pencil. Collective nouns name a group of people or things. This class of nouns denotes a group of people, animals or objects or concepts or ideas as a single entity. For example, army, troops. Let us see what is concrete and abstract nouns. Concrete nouns are something you can perceive with your 5 senses. I hope you know what are the 5 senses of us: taste, feel, hear, smell and see. An abstract noun is something you cannot perceive any of your 5 senses. Let's have a quick practice. Identify the nouns in each sentence, then classify it as CC, which means common concrete, CA common abstract, PC proper concrete and PA proper abstract. The children play with their toys. The children play with their toys. What is children? Yes, correct. Children are common concrete. What do you mean by common noun? The noun which denotes a common place or thing or idea or something. What is meant by concrete? Which we can see, hear, smell or sense. Children, we can see children, and children, there is no specific children have been mentioned here. Commonly we are speaking about children. So this is common and as well concrete. Toys. Here no particular toys have been mentioned. Commonly they are speaking about toys. So this is common. And why do we call this as concrete? We can see and as well touch toys. So this is concrete. Let us go to the second. Skylar rides the bus to Spring Cove Middle School. Skylar rides. Proper concrete. Particularly, specifically, they are speaking about the ride of Skylar rides. That's why this falls under the category of proper. And concrete, which we can see it. Bus. Common concrete. There is no specific bus has been mentioned here. Commonly they are speaking about the transport bus. So this is common noun. Concrete. Why? Because we are seeing it. We can see it. We can touch it. So this is concrete. So this falls on the category of common and concrete. Spring Cove Middle School. Proper concrete. Particularly, specifically, they are speaking about a school, Spring Cove Middle School. Here they have mentioned the name of a school. So this is proper. Obviously, we can see the school. So this falls under the category of concrete too. Ramanathan is celebrated by Muslims around the world. Ramadan is celebrated by Muslims around the world. Ramadan. Here they are speaking particularly about a festival. Particular specific festival has been mentioned here. So this falls on the category of proper and as well concrete, as we can see it and feel it. Muslims. Specific community people. Muslims. So this is proper. As we can see them. So this is concrete. World. Common. Here they are speaking commonly about the world. So obviously this is in the category of common and as well concrete too, as we can see it. Mrs. Mogul's students have great respect for her. Mrs. Mogul's students have great respect for her. Mrs. Mogul, but here we are mentioning about a person, Mrs. Mogul. She is a proper noun. And concrete noun, as we can see her, as we can speak with her, as we can feel her. Then students are common. No particular student has been mentioned here. So this is common and as well concrete. Respect. Common and abstract. Abstract noun, why do we call this as abstract? What is mean by abstract noun? Abstract noun is a noun which we cannot feel on senses. That's why this falls on the category of abstract. Students have a barrel of fun in Miss Meckleton's class. Students, they are common. No specific name of a student, no specific student has been mentioned here. So this falls on the category of common, and as I said you already, this is concrete too, as we can see them. Barrel too, there is no specific barrel has been mentioned. So this is common and as well concrete, which as we can see it. Fun is common and as well abstract. This is an abstract. Why? Because which we cannot see it. Common. This is common too. Miss Meckleton's class. Here we are specifically mentioning about a teacher. We are naming a teacher. Miss Meckleton's. So this is proper and as well concrete. Class is common and as well concrete too. It's a knowledge testing for you. What is a noun? Noun is a person, place, thing or idea. What is a concrete noun? A noun that can be seen, touched, heard, tasted or smelled. What is an abstract noun? A noun that cannot be seen, touched, heard, tasted or felt. They are ideas, qualities and feelings that cannot be seen or smelled. Let us go back to the practice again. Fun falls on the category of abstract. What is an abstract noun? It's an idea, quality and feeling. Here fun is a feeling which we cannot see, which we cannot touch, which we cannot hear, taste or felt. What is a proper noun? A noun that names a specific person, place, thing or idea. What is a common noun? A noun that names a general person, place, thing or idea. Thank you for watching.